Good morning, everyone. We're just gonna go to breakfast. It's Wednesday today, so we're off. I just had a shower and it's a bit cold, but not really cold.
You got the keys?
Yeah, it's in my bag. So off we go. So peanut butter toast and an apple, whatever it is. I was just having cereal and
Fruit salad.
fruit salad. Yep, nothing fancy, guys, but it will kick us off for the morning. Yep. We're going to Manea Seafood Boil place to check out their seafood, and we're on the highway to go there. It's in Ongeanga. Just after the medium tray, please. Yeah, that's all.
$70.
I got my tray, guys. I got the $70 one. So we're gonna go somewhere and eat it. We're thinking of One Tree Hill, up in the hill, like a romantic seafood boil there. So there's my driver coming to get me right now. That was fast to get the seafood boil out. Guys, I want to check out the seafood boil, eh? So, here's our seafood boil, guys. Potatoes, sausages, eggs, crab, mussels. Oh well, we got a nice little spot here. Yes. I do not want to get things.
Food stains.
Triple stains as well. Anyway, where's your plate? I'll get you some, or you want to get your own?
Yeah, no.
You want me to get yours?
Yes.
Guys, my husband's trying to get Pepe over here. Okay. I will make you some. Okay? So I'll give you a sausage.
Yeah.
Sausage, guys. Sausage. Potato. One egg. Wait. Now, there be all the crab. You know the thing of the crab? The gill of the crab. And mussel. Mussel for my tongue. Yeah. I'm gonna crab. Oh, look at this, guys. Yeah. How many potatoes you got? You got two.
No, there's lava.
You got lava. One more sausage there.
More mussels.
You want another mussel? Yeah. Another
What
mussel.
do you think?
What do you think? Oh, you nearly missed out on the prawn. The prawn. That. All the saucy on it. Oh, and a corn. Oh.
Yeah. That's me.
Yeah. One more prawn.
Oh, no.
You don't want another prawn?
No.
Oh,
You can have all the
yeah.
prawn.
Okay.
One.
I'll have all the
Faye
prawn.
prayer.
In Jesus' name I pray, amen.
Oh.
One prawn for me.
Um,
Mussel for me. Look. Mmm. See, use this. Daddy, you want some saucy? Yeah. Oh, I think I need a bit more saucy. You want some more saucy, Daddy?
no.
Oh.
My run on my thing.
You want a bib?
No.
Oh, I think I need one more egg.
Not yet.
Yeah. Prayer already got done. Roll up the sleeve. You know, when you roll up the sleeve, it's time for danger. Have a bite of the mussel, guys. Egg. Mmm. This is a good place to eat. Look, we're eating and we're looking at the one tree hill, but there's no tree, like heaps of trees. Have a bite of the corn. I tried calling my auntie today and I left a message. She hasn't called me back because we wanted to go and see her. But I left a message on the answer machine and then I said to my driver here, let's go to Manea Seafood and get us some seafood. We were going to eat there, but parking is not easy to find them. So I said, let's just take some and we'll go to One Tree Hill. Now we're having a romantic lunch.
Watching One Tree Hill. It's a pity the tree is not there. But I think they planted another one.
Yeah. They planted another one, and they went and tried to destroy it again. So the government thought just to get rid of it, so there's no more hassle. Why they did it might be some sign of protesting. I don't know. I should look that up. I will look that up after I eat this lovely seafood.
If you guys know the story behind it, yeah, drop a comment down below. Please.
Potato's nice. It's not overboiled, musty. Nice. Got a little bit of a kick, but it's tolerable. Have a bite of sausage, you guys. The sauce is quite nice. The sauce I like is at Vivian, you know. I did another mukbang seafood boil in the car when it was raining one time. Their seafood boil sauce was very lovely. Nice sausage too, eh? Biting out all the goodness, the taste of the seafood boils. Someone said to me to try the seafood boil up in East Tamaki. I don't know. I think you might have to book that one. But you can get a lobster tail from there. It's 100 and something. I can't remember what. I know why he didn't want these prawns, because he didn't want to work for the meat. He didn't want to work for it. Make it work, make it work. Ta-da! Take a bite, guys. Very nice. You eat and you look up at the needle.
The needle on one tree here.
Mm?
The needle on one tree here. Yeah. Got the monument there in the needle. Mention about Toi. Toi was one of the canoes that came from I believe, because when I was growing up, we were doing the legend of Toi. I read the thing up there. He said one of the navigators was Toi, T-O-I. And then I remember back home when I was growing up and studying, learning about Toi. Was one of the navigator from Maitaki. So, yeah. So, I'm from Maitaki, and Toi is from Maitaki. So it makes sense that, yeah, come over here and visit him. One of the farmers from Maitaki. Maybe if I check my kaupapa, might lead all the way to Toi.
It's nice.
Well, Tangaroa is connected with the sea. And Toi should never get up. So, you never know.
Never know what.
Never know, you never know.
Man.
Proper setting, man, that thing is gone. But over here it's a bit messy.
Bit tight squeeze.
We don't
Take a
want
bite
to
of
be
the
messy.
crab. Meaty. There's a couple in front of us. They're taking photos. And here we are having seafood. grapes. With all the coconuts. It's $3.69 each for coconuts. Oh, he's flowers here. But look how much it is, guys. $29.99 a kilo.
Still cheaper than in Australia and
Oh, look at the fish here. It looks so fresh. Look at the eyes. Fresh. And salmon head. This is what my man has been after. Ooh, that's a 50 bag. How come we don't get this out of Hamilton?
we do.
We do.
Yeah.
Oh, you're just telling me this now?
Oh, you got eyes.
I've never seen it. I'll give you a you got an eye.
You got eyes.
Here's our little shop. Mussel, peanut brownies, grapes, lemon tree, and I got me an orange juice. I'm not into that tropical juice at the moment, it's too sweet.